If you've ever looked at a PowerPoint slide and thought, these objects are almost lined up, but not quite, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to distribute and align objects evenly in PowerPoint so your slides look cleaner, more professional, and much easier to read. This is one of those simple PowerPoint skills that makes a huge difference in the final result, whether you're working with shapes, pictures, icons, text boxes, or any other objects on a slide. And if this tutorial helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, you need to select the objects you want to work with. Hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard, then click each object one by one. As you click, PowerPoint will highlight the items you've selected. This step is important because alignment and distribution only work properly when the objects are selected together. So make sure you've chosen every item you want to line up before moving on. Once your objects are selected, look at the top ribbon and go to the Format tab. Depending on what you've selected, this might say Shape Format, Picture Format, or Just Format. That's completely normal. On that tab, find the Align option and click it. You'll see a list of alignment choices that help you position objects neatly on the slide. If you want everything to line up on the same edge, choose Align Left or Align Right. If you want them stacked neatly from top to bottom, choose Align off Top. If you want them centered vertically, choose Align Ściat Middle. And if you want them positioned evenly around the center line, choose Align Center. Each of these options helps you create a more balanced slide layout in just a few clicks. After aligning your objects, you may want to space them out evenly as well. This is where distribution comes in. With the objects still selected, go back to Align and choose Distribute Horizontally if your objects are arranged from left to right. This will make the spacing between each object equal across the row. If your objects are arranged from top to bottom, choose Distribute Vertically instead. That will create equal spacing between each item down the column. This is especially useful when you want a polished, symmetrical look without manually dragging each object into place. A quick tip here. If your objects seem to move in a way you didn't expect, check whether PowerPoint is aligning them relative to the slide or relative to the selected objects. Sometimes that setting can change the result. But once you get used to it, aligning and distributing objects becomes very fast and very easy. It's one of the best ways to make your presentations look more professional in seconds. So to recap, first select your objects by holding Ctrl and clicking each one. Next, go to the Format tab and use Align to line them up on the left, right, top, middle, bottom, or center. Then use Distribute Horizontally or Distribute Vertically to space them out evenly. And that's it. Your objects will be aligned properly and evenly spaced for a much cleaner PowerPoint slide. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more PowerPoint tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.